Hello friends, welcome. This is Arun Kumar and this is our channel Chemistry Crafters with Banu. Today we are going to formulate room freshener. There are many formulations are available. We can formulate room freshener by using ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, any one. Of course, both are having some plus points and minus points. We can prepare room freshener by using baking soda or without using baking soda, or alternatively we can use zeolite or charcoal. They are all deodorizers. They will absorb the bad smell so that our perfume will dominate. And we can prepare room freshener by using propellants or without propellants also. So many formulations are available. Today we are going to formulate a basic room freshener formula. This is not a premium quality formula. This is not a medium quality. This is a first step in room freshener formulations. But here during the making video, we are going to discuss do's and don'ts. I mean guidelines while formulating the room fresheners. What are the things we need to follow? So that guidelines will help us while we are formulating the premium quality room freshener. Let us get into the video. Today our batch size will be 100 ml of room freshener. I have taken all the materials ready. Let us start the process. Before that, we will discuss one important thing. While using the room spray, it has chances to contact our skin, and also it has chances to deposit over the surface of the floor or bed or any other objects. So we have to choose the safe material while formulating the room spray, and also we should follow the recommended quantities within the limit. Let us start the process. This is glass beaker in which I am going to prepare room spray, and I am going to stir with this plastic spoon. I am not going to use any mechanical stirrer, and I have taken some pH papers and also a spray bottle. First, I am going to charge perfume. This is Ratnamala perfume. I have taken 6 ml. Generally, for room sprays, the recommended level is 2 to 5% or maximum 6%. One thing, and one more important thing is we have to choose essential oils. If it is not affordable, at least we need to choose cosmetic grade perfumes, not what the perfume we are using for cleaning products. I am adding Ratnamala, but you can choose as per your choice. Next, I am taking Polysorbate 80. The another name is Twin 80. I have taken 4 ml. The recommended level is from 2 to 5%. Within this range, it will completely vaporize and there is no possibility for deposition of a sticky layer on our floor. If we take an excess quantity of polysorbate, then it is possible. And one more thing, Polysorbate 80 is a safe material, non-toxic. The role of Polysorbate 80 is, it is a emulsifier. In case of perfume, it will not miscible with water. When we are mixing with Polysorbate 80, it will make the perfumes to form stable emulsion with water. For Polysorbate 80, there is one more important role. It is highly viscous liquid. So when we are mixing with Polysorbate 80 and spraying the perfume, we can feel the perfume smell for long lasting time. It will release the perfume's vapor in a slow manner. Otherwise, if there is no polysorbate, means that perfume will immediately vaporize and we cannot feel long lasting perfume smell. Now I am adding the Polysorbate 80 and both are miscible, completely miscible. I am getting homogeneous solution. So this is one important criteria. Then I am going to charge water. Generally from 30% to 70% we can use water. Here I am going to use 40 ml of water, I mean 40% of water. In case of room freshener, we have to choose sterilized water because that is room freshener. We are going to breathe in that area, so we should ensure that in that water there is no microorganisms. So normal RO water or normal DM water is not sufficient. Sterilized water is required. Now I am charging the water. When I am adding the water, I am getting a complete emulsion. It is not possible without Polysorbate 80, only with perfume. So the role of Polysorbate 80 is very important. Now I am using isopropyl alcohol. Instead of isopropyl alcohol, ethanol also we can use. In case of isopropyl alcohol, the recommended level is from 20% to 50%. I have taken 50 ml of 50% of isopropyl alcohol. The role of isopropyl alcohol is, of course, it is playing multi-role. First of all, in case of this particular emulsion, of course, the perfume is uniformly distributed, but even though we cannot use it in as such condition because it is something like sticky material and there is no solvents to make vaporization process. So we need to add isopropyl alcohol. Apart from that, isopropyl alcohol is a deodorant as well as disinfectant, and also it will act as a carrier for perfumes. In case of isopropyl alcohol, it is available in many concentrations, 70%, 80%, even 99% also, and many grades are available. So we need to choose a good material, good quality. Now I am going to charge the isopropyl alcohol. Here we need to observe one thing. When I am charging the isopropyl alcohol, the emulsion becomes clear and transparent. Now I have added nearly 80%. Almost it is clear and transparent. Now I have added 100% isopropyl alcohol, what I have taken. Now it is very clear and transparent. So the point is, to get the clear and transparent room spray, isopropyl alcohol and its quantity is very important. Here we will discuss one important thing. For generally the room fresheners are filled with metal cans. There are two reasons, mainly two reasons. The one may be they used propellants, the another one may be to prevent the evaporation of isopropyl alcohol. In normal plastic bottles it is not possible. If isopropyl alcohol is evaporated, once again that medium will get turbid and it will give some deposition of sticky material. This is the same room freshener formula. Yesterday I have prepared 50 ml batch size. Yesterday it was very clear and transparent, but I kept it in open. So today it looks very turbid. So we cannot use it as room freshener. So in case of room freshener, airtight sealing is very important. Now I am going to add some extra isopropyl alcohol. Once again I will get the clarity. For room freshener, color is not required, but we need to add preservatives. I am going to add 1 ml of phenoxyethanol preservative. Of course, I am taking excess. For this type of materials, the excess quantity is required. I mean, generally for 1 liter of cleaning products, we will use 1 ml of phenoxyethanol. Here, for 100 ml of room spray, I am using 1 ml of phenoxyethanol. So the process is over. Now room spray is ready. I am filling in a spray bottle. It is spraying well. I can feel the smell of Ratnamola. It is very good. Now let us check the pH. For room fresheners, the recommended pH range is from 4.5 to 6.5. For our product, the pH is 5.5. It is okay. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Your suggestions and feedbacks are always welcome. We'll meet in our upcoming video.